So 38.69 is what.
Good day, Messias. My name is Jonathan Delpino from Grade 12 Junts in Aralaba. Community conversation to explore community perspective on counseling and social work through interview and personal reflection. Let's go!
Hey guys, I'm with
Patricia Bianco,
Cecil Mar.
Divine Escalera, Lorraine Alpuyo.
And here's your question. What's the biggest challenges faces when they need help with their problem?
The biggest challenge families face when they need help is knowing where to start. Many people feel unsure about who to talk to or worry about being judged.
And here's your second question. What kind of help do families in our area really need?
Families in our area often need support with mental health, financial struggles, and parenting challenges. They also need easier access to helpful resources.
Your last question is, what's one thing our family could do to be more supported of each other?
One simple way to be more supportive as a family is to really listen to each other. Just taking time to ask, "How was your day?" and showing you care can make a big difference.
Question. What kind of counselor would you suggest for me if I needed one?
For me, if you needed counselor, I think you need a counselor that provides health and counseling services.
And here's your second question. How can social workers help young people in our community?
For me, social workers guide, protect, empower youths through advocacy and community engagement.
The last question. What's one thing you think our community could do better to support young people?
Our community needs to conduct programs like personal development, because for me, personal development helps the young people to recognize their strengths and weaknesses. For me, conducting programs like personal development will help young people to recognize their personal weaknesses and strengths to make informed decisions in the future.
How should counseling help students at school?
Counseling can help students at school by providing them the safe place, support them for their personal and academic challenges.
And here's your second question. How can social work make our school better?
Social work can make school better by connecting them with the resources and create a safer and more environmental friendly place.
And here's your final question. What's the biggest stressor you see affecting students right now?
I think the biggest stress the students are facing right now is academic pressure. They are trying to get a good grades for their parents to be proud, and they are keeping up with the school works, and they are planning for their future.
What do people get wrong about counseling in our neighborhood?
Thank you for that wonderful question, Sean. I think people often think counseling is only for serious problems, but it can help everyday stress like school pressure and personal struggles.
And your second question is, what's the biggest problem our community needs social workers to solve?
Our community needs social workers to help families. We are struggling with money, housing, or mental health support.
And here's your last question.
Okay.
What's one resources our community should have more of?
I work a lot with the slums of Sigbayan, and the life there is poor and it's sad. So I've always told myself to look for the beauty and to look in the beauty in the faces of the children, because we need more free or low cost and counseling or services so more people can get help.